For Americans or for other foreign workers wishing to work in Canada, it is important to first determine what specific legal category they fall under. At Untitled Associates, this is the first thing that is looked at when we first meet a client for a Canadian work visa. There are a multitude of options under Canadian law for work permits, from intercompany transfers to professionals under the NAFTA agreement. Our law firm carefully assesses our client's background, education, work experience, and job offer in Canada in order to determine the most suitable course of action to get their work permits in the quickest possible time. In some cases, work visas can be fast-tracked under the NAFTA agreement or one of the various pilot projects. However, in most cases, in order to qualify for a Canadian work permit, the Canadian employer first has to make an application at Service Canada, formerly known as Human Resources Development Canada, or HRDC. Once approved, the foreign worker can then apply for his or her work permit. At Untitled Associates, we assist both Canadian employers and foreign workers with the application process. We not only complete all the necessary application forms, but also advise our clients what specific immigration office or border is appropriate for their case. Preparing all the paperwork in advance, submitting the application to the right immigration office, and making sure our clients are ready for their interviews with the immigration officers is what we, as your immigration lawyers, do to maximize your chance of getting approved for your work permit to Canada.